Behind this shine are human hands, machines, and standards demanding nothing less than perfection.
Foundations. I hope this inside look at how Rolex is made helps you see each watch not just as a luxury object. Today, I'll take you inside this Rolex Gold Factory and show you, step by step, how raw gold becomes a masterpiece on your wrist. From alloying our own Rolex gold to machining and polishing every case and bracelet, nothing leaves this factory until it's perfect. Let's start at the very beginning, where Rolex Gold is born from raw metals. Every Rolex Gold batch is traceable. Today, we'll follow batch RG01 from these granules to a finished watch. We melt our own alloys in-house to guarantee the color and durability of every piece of Rolex gold. From molten alloy, we now have Rolex Gold ingots. This bar, RG01, will become the case and bracelet of a single Rolex Gold watch. This single coil of Rolex Gold will give us both the case body and bracelet links for one watch.
From this same Rolex Gold batch, RG01, we shaped not only the case, but every link of the bracelet.
Each Rolex Gold case is machined from a solid block, ensuring both strength and water resistance. From here, our Rolex Gold case is ready to be refined and finished by hand. Heat treatment ensures our Rolex Gold remains both beautiful and durable over decades.
Here we see the RG01 links undergoing pre-polishing. This automated process takes roughly 6 hours.
The RG01 links are carefully separated from the ceramic media and rinsed. This satin finish is
While the movement is built in another department, it meets its Rolex Gold home right here.
Each Rolex Gold case is machined from a solid block, ensuring both strength and water resistance.
From here, our Rolex Gold case is ready to be refined and finished by hand.
Heat treatment ensures our Rolex Gold remains both beautiful and durable over decades.
Here we see the mass finishing stage. These barrels contain fine ceramic media, essential for the 6-hour pre-polishing process.
After tumbling, the links are rinsed with high-pressure water to remove the ceramic media, revealing their satin sheen before the final polish.
Next time you see a Rolex Gold watch, remember the journey. From tiny gold granules to molten metal, precision machining. Every surface you see was once part of a glowing river of Rolex Gold.
Behind this shine are human hands, machines, and standards demanding nothing less than perfection.
Foundations. I hope this inside look at how Rolex is made helps you see each watch not just as a luxury object, but its materials. From raw materials to this finished rolled gold masterpiece, every stage matters. If you enjoyed walking through the factory with me,
我哋創斷非常爽品牌相樹血，實會參考呢邊接份難食抗議清血人喺緊急在的公運產。